Hi, guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie. Today, we are going to be making pico de gallo. I love this recipe. The freshness of this is just amazing. This is perfect for Memorial Day, for your hot summer days. This is just so refreshing and amazing to have. So I'm so excited to share it with you. I will say I don't know if this is the authentic way to make it. So if something is different from what you make, than I make. We are just here to share with each other, so please no hateful comments down below. But either way, I hope you try it because this recipe is really delicious. I sometimes make it with homemade tortilla chips and they're gone in no time. So I hope you guys enjoy the recipe. Bye bye.